how to connect between a Facebook page with an Instagram account using the Instagram app. In this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can connect between your Facebook page to your Instagram account using Instagram app. Let's go. Alright, so how you're going to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram using Instagram. So first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on bottom right. Alright, then you will go to your profile, go to top right, the 3 lines icon, and then you scroll to business tools and controls, click on that, and then you can see here, it's very easily, it's just shown here, connect a Facebook page. Now, you need this to be a professional or business account, so I've already switched this to business account, so that's why you can see it is not a personal or creator account, it's a business account. Alright, even creator account also can, as long as it is not personal account. Okay, so you just connect a Facebook page, continue, connect to Facebook, log into Facebook, continue. So I'm already logged into my Facebook account, so that's why I can straight away go to here. So I want to link this to this page, so I want connect, so just click connect, and boom, it is now connected to your Facebook page. Alright, so just go back, just refresh, and then just double check. So when it's connected, you can cross post, okay, however you want it. Alright, it's already connected. So yeah, so that's how easily you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram using Instagram. It's very easy. Okay, hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.